Hello everyone and welcome to this video. We will be learning about one of the main component of the HubSpot, which is Marketing Hub software. And today we will be get an overview of what is a Marketing Hub software, the inbound methodology and tools present in it. In this video, we will get an overview, and in further videos we will also demonstrate the tools and other things which is present in the Marketing Hub software. So without a further ado, let's get started. So with this, the first question which comes in mind is, what is Marketing Hub software? So Marketing Hub software is an all-in-one marketing automation software that helps marketers to generate lead and automate marketings that drives growth. This tool is set to design help you first drive revenue. How? By attracting, nurturing and converting high quality leads, and then save time and resources with campaign management and automation tools in one place. The third is the measure and optimize campaigns by using reporting tools powered by CRM data. CRM data means which is present in the HubSpot CRM. So the next thing we will talk about is the inbound methodology. The inbound methodology can be broken down into 3 stages, as we can see on the screen. The first one is the attract. So attract consists of how the attracting the right people using valuable content. Then engaging your leads with insights and solutions, and then delighting your customers with support that empowers their success. So, what are the features of Marketing Hub Attract contains is the ad, campaigns, social media and video. These all 4 components we will be analyzing in the next videos in the marketing section of the HubSpot. The second one is the engage. Engage contains form creations. As we can see, we can take an example of Facebook login page. The fields which is consist of in email information, name and everything, we will be looking at it, and we will also create a form in our further videos. CTAs, call to actions, email and automation. The third thing is the marketing delight. So this contains live chat, SMSs, WhatsApp, meta messengers, smart content and A/B testing. With Marketing Hub, each of these stages is one to easy use platform attracting visitors to your website and content. Is the first step in methodology. So the last is the Marketing Hub optimization features, which control lead scoring, behavioral events, segmentations and reporting. So these all contains the major tools, and we will be looking further for more details in all those sections, how they work, when we should use them, and how we can able to implement this in our day-to-day life to make our task easy and able to complete it as soon as possible by using HubSpot. Thank you so much.